Hi, I'm Chef Cristo Gonzalez, and I'm going to show you how to make jalapeno butter. You start off the same. You've seen in previous lessons, if you've been watching, that I've showed you how to cut the jalapeno, how to remove the heat. We're going to julienne these up. The julienne cut is this little shoestring cut. When you have a number of them prepared together, you've got your juliennes. You're then going to want to slice those up a little finer. We're going to cut those into a brunoise, which is a much smaller little, it's like a small dice. Okay? So you have your tiny little brunoise. You have your pre-softened butter. You're going to mix the jalapeno into the butter. Okay, so now we have our brunoise colorful jalapeno peppers. We have our pre-softened butter. We're going to then mix this in together till it's completely incorporated, gathering up all the little bits of jalapeno for nice tasty flavor. This would be delicious on a steak. This would be delicious, you know, if you're so inclined, you could have it spread on your toast in the morning. Some people are very definite jalapeno addicts, so I don't think there's any use that they wouldn't find for this. But I think it would be really delicious on top of a nice grilled steak. So you've got your jalapeno butter. You're going to take a piece of plastic wrap, put your butter in there, fold it up, and then you're going to just roll it up into a log. Twist the ends, and then you're going to put it in the refrigerator so it will firm up. We happen to have one right here. We made it earlier. It's already firm, so we're going to unwrap it. Now it's ready to cut into beautiful little medallions. Like I said before, these would be great on a steak. And that's how to make jalapeno butter. I'm Chef Cristo Gonzalez for Demand Media. See you soon.